Hi guys, I'm installing an aftermarket power tailgate for Subaru XV 2018, and I forgot to take a video when I removed the trims. I already installed the struts, and I forgot to take a video on it. I just remembered that yeah, I should take a video to share to everybody on how I've done this thing. Alright, so initially I remove all the trims here. I remove the other side because this is I'm in Australia right now, which is a right hand drive. So in here, part of the manual here, I follow the steps that you need to remove everything here and install this thing. Make sure that there are two washers in each bolt. There are two washers underneath to make it more level up a little bit. That one was installed properly. And the other thing is, yeah, first is you need to remove all the trims. This portion here, the top portion, you need to remove everything. I just look for a YouTube video on how to remove those trims, and just the standard removal procedures. And what I've done after removing is to remove the original. I removed the original and installed the aftermarket. This is the aftermarket one, and that one also over here is the aftermarket. The one that with the ball point, and that one. So after I removed the original, I installed the aftermarket. Same with the other side. I removed the original and installed the aftermarket. Then after that, I drill a hole on this side to in order for me to insert the power cable of this thing inside. And after that one, I this is the cable. This is the cable, right? And also for the other side, I drill a hole there, same thing, and insert the cable, and the cables in here. And also after that, that's the first thing. Second thing, after removal of the trims, I installed that one, those things. Then this is the third one. This is the third one. I removed the original. I inserted the aftermarket. This is the aftermarket now with a power motor. Here's the power motor. Yeah, here is it. Will that main purpose for this one is for, I think it will like a suction thingy. I don't know yet. Let's see what will happen after that one. Then now this is the first, second. This is the third one. Now the fourth one is to install the main computer brain of this thingy. I need to put this one in here beneath under at the back of this thing over there, over here, and make sure plug in all the cables provided in the manual. You need to follow the instructions in the manual in inserting the proper cables in it. Then after this, after I managed to put everything here, I'll take a video. I'll continue the video. I forgot also, after the fourth one is to install this one. I drill a hole there and inserted this button. Like this one is like there's a cable here. See that one? There's a cable in here. Still, I need to, or I can't see it, but it's in there. I still need to plug into this computer. That needs to be plugged into this computer. So, alright, that's the fourth one. The fifth one is installing this. Sorry, I missed. I thought this was the fourth one. This is the fifth one. The fourth one is installing this one, and the fifth one is put this one underneath. Then after that one, then plug in the cables. Make sure I run a cable through the fuse box, and we'll see later. Hi guys, I managed to make it work. See that one? And initially I made a mistake on installing the power tailgate. So right now that's the correct way of installing it, same as the other side. And now this time it's working, so I'll show you the connection here. This is the main computer. This first connection here, in here, this purple one, this is the power going to the battery. That one is going to the battery. I'll show you the main connection. It's the moment it's really not really properly organized yet. So that one is going directly to the battery here. See that one? This is the wire. You connect it to the, because this one included in the package has this multi-purpose dual fuse. So the original was underneath. This is the 25 amperes for the power tailgate, the one on top. And the negative, I put the one in negative. That's the power. That's the purple one here, shown here. No, it's in here. That's the purple one. And these four blue color, these are connections for the power tailgate. Two connections from here, another two connections from here. So these blue connections are for the power tailgate, and this gray one is for this one, for this motor. This motor is connected to the here. What it does is, it will, once it locks, once the door close completely, this one will pull the door softly, and when opening, again, it will move forward. So that's the main purpose of that motor over there. And that's the gray one. See that one? That's the gray one. And the white one, this is the main connection for the buttons. So before that one, before I explain, this is the most important part, the CAN connection, CAN bus connection for the low and high, CAN low and CAN high. This connection is going towards the dashboard. I'll show you. Subaru XV or Crosstrek 2018. And this is the connection for the button, and the CAN connection is in here. See the one? This is the CAN connection going underneath the steering wheel. This is 2018 Subaru XV or Crosstrek. And if you can see in here, see that one? This is the CAN connection. This is the original one. This is the original. That one is the original, directly connected to that one. What I've done is because this is the T connector coming from the aftermarket. So the original, I remove the original, disconnect the original, and connect it to the aftermarket. Connect in here, and this one aftermarket has another connection. So the aftermarket connection will replace the original here. So the original is down here, and the aftermarket is here. So it's like you're reconnecting it, and you need to organize this one, wire this one up. This is the CAN connection. This is most important part of the installation. And the next is the buttons. See the one, there's a button here in front. Front button and rear button. Here is the rear button. So I've just followed the instruction how to install that one. And at the end here, there's a connection. See the one? From that button here, there's a connection. And this connection is directly connected to the main this one, the white one. So this white one has three wires on it. one wire, one of the wire here is connected to the button, and the other one is connected to the front button over there in front, and the last one is connected to here at the back. See the one at the back side? You need to remove the original. You need to remove the original and install this. Install the connection, the T connection, the aftermarket T connection, and this is the original connection. See the one, the original one is connected to the aftermarket T connection, and the T aftermarket connection is connected to the lock over there, and that how it works. So right now it's working. Now after this, I'm going to install the foot sensor so that you can just wipe your feet, it will open. But basically that's the how you set this one up. I bought this one in Amazon, but I believe this is a Chinese brand, but it's really working really good. Hi guys, almost done. See that one? It's already clean. Look at the wirings. The computer is underneath this wall. See the one there? And already all the wires already clean it. See that one? So that one. All the wires are there. Then inside here, going here inside, then out here. So dark here. It's almost done. Here's a demo. See that one? You know, open it. All good. You can adjust the height whatever you want by pressing that one, and if you pressing the one, if you stop from here, then long press, it will stop. If you long press that one, it will go into the memory, and that will be the next maximum height of the opening. You know one? Done. Open original button. Look at that. And this also has a foot sensor in it. The foot sensor will activate only when the car is turned off. So while the car is on, it will not work. It will only work, the foot sensor will only work when the car is turned off. Right now I'm still charging my battery, and so I can't test. I'll test it later. It's all done. Hi guys, I'll show you the foot sensor. Everything is all good now. See the one, the button, everything is fully installed. All the wires are coming from here on the side, up here and here, through here. You need to, this one is so fiddly, you need to, it's very tight already because there are multiple wires inside it, so you need to use a wire, something to use, or anything that you can stick to pull the existing wire up
mine it's very hard with the tip, so I cut the wire. I cut the original wires and I'll solder it again. I cut it, and to make it easier for me to for the wires to get inside, then I solder it back again. Join it, I solder it. It's something like more time to more work time, but it's worth it because you can easily put the wires inside and pull it with the head on it, with the head plastic. It's hard. You need to cut it. That's only a tips on how to install it properly to easily, set up. And the wires from the computer in here, there's a wire there. Wire is going to the side, to the driver's side. This is Australia, so right hand side, going through here. You need to remove these things, then put inside. Underneath there's like a protection for wires. In Subaru there are really good protection for wires. You need to use some plastic thing. Make sure you're not breaking anything. Just put the wires there inside, and also remove this rubber thing and put. It's not really that long. It will like probably 5 minutes to work on it. Then in the driver's side here, and everything is in here. So if I will pull this thing, you can see that one. Everything is in here. Wire up. The CAN bus wiring is going not in here, going directly inside through the steering wheel. For the fuse wire or the ACC wire, everything is in here. In my video, I showed a while ago, it's directly connected. When I tested it, I directly connected it to the battery, which is wrong. But in the final installation setup, everything is in here. See that one, right? Right over there. Let me turn on the flashlight. That one there is that's not the one, but similar to this one. It's over here. It's in, let me check that one. See that one? There's another one like this. There's another one similar like this, but over here in the 1, 2, 3 third column and second row. Third column, second row from the left. Third column, 1, 2, 3 and second row. That's similar to this, but this is for the dash cam, for the dash cam, and this is for the power lift gate. Similar to this. It's a third column, second row. All right. And the third column, second row, let's have a look. 12-volt socket. Sorry. Third column, second row. It's for the here. 15 amperes, 12-volt socket. All right. I use that one for the power lift gate. All right. Let's close that one. And to close here, just swipe your feet. 2 seconds. 1, 2. It will close. Then this foot thingy is underneath. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's in the middle. It's in the middle. I just glued it here, there. The Subaru 2018 model.